Good morning, Good morning. My topic is about a failure to amend and change the 1987 Constitution. The 1987 Constitution in private by the three metric by when the Constitution can be amended or required ratification by a major voting in a national referendum. This method we consider observant, consider cooperation, and people individual use this mode. Till we are effort and admit to change to the 1987 Constitution start with the process of Valdivieso Hamas, who succeeded Corazon Aquino the first, Jose Almonte the parent and Constitution, but it was enforced to the media and never preferred. The second effort happened in 1997 when a group called PERMA hoped to guide signature for voting to change the Constitution. Such a people individual many went against this, including the senators. Maria de Fesa Santiago, who becomes the issue to the court and won when the Supreme Court judge. The people individual composed then win on in the law. The scholar President Jose Equesato Entrata formal a study commission to investigate in the issue, so rather cheating change focus on the academic and judiciary revision of the effort was also blocking by the parent authority after the President Estrada was referred by another people power and considered by his Vice President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. The House Speaker Jose de Berceta endorsed consideration change. Then consideration of will the 2-3 votes for the House of Reference admission of revelation to the conciliation. This individual was also not successful since the team of President Arroyo was men in controversy and scandal, excluding the possibility and Arroyo exclusive team as a president who, when the Constitution do not alone. The administration of the considered President Benigno Aquino III has a marking in favor the change character change effect this MFT for different member of Congress, coalition of the Speaker of the House, Feliciano Belmonte Jr., who attend the introduced administration to the Constitution, the concept economic provision, the as toward liberation, the effort did not see the light a day. Liberation in the Philippines was support the President Duterte in the 2006 presidential election, say that it will ever describe when in the Philippines history consideration that in Manila, the capital of the country, has a for government and central government, scolded and conservation policy unit, constitution and operation apply to the Philippines. The course will be broken into autonomous region. Each region will be focused individual into local government unit. The region rules safety and the accreditation, education, healthcare, preparation, and many more. Each region will also take change of this financial plan for development and law, including to the these are the national government on the nothing of hard with only holding math of national interest so at a forest collection and reference almost acting in the system in the possibility for the central government and the regional to share central power. Our cultural system is the of a unity for with administrative power of recursion and concentration in the national government. Mayor and government who have to raise on a location private to him. Of federal government with region government in the is a single politician system. This adversary is in the part of inflation of his background be a local leader in Mindanao. The has been made in Robert and bolting of the discovery on December 7, 2016, President Duterte signed an executive order critical conservation committee to review the 1987 computation. Ang example niya, sa po yung maaari mapulong ang concentration bilang isang conservation ability upang mamumukahin ng mga pagbabago o pag-apienda sa pamamagitan ng pagboto na hindi bababa sa dalawa kato ng lahat ng mga membro nito. Maari tumawag ang mga koresyon ng isang constitution governation sa pamamagitan ng boto na hindi bababa sa dalawa na lahat ng mga membro nito ay magnahalaan ng miyembro ng convention ay mamumukahit ng mga pagbabago o pag-apieda. Ang mga pagbabago ay maaari direkta imukahit ng mga mamamayan sa pamamagitan ng isang petisyon ng mga perma mula sa hindi bababa sa 12% na kabuuan bilang ng mga referendum voting kung saan ang bawat distrito ng territory ay kinakakatawan na hindi bababa sa 3% ng mga rehistradong botante. Ang mga paraan ito ay maaari lamang gamitin para sa mga pang-abyenda, hindi para sa mga pagbabago. Sinubukan ng perma na mangilitan ng mga perma mula sa mga botante upang itulak ang mga pagbabago sa pamamagitan ng people. Industry gayo farming, ipinasyal ng Korte Supremo na ang mga pagbabago na nais patupad ng pirma ay hindi lamang simple mga pag-apyenda kundi isang komprehensitibong pagbabago ng konstitusyon. Dahil dito tinatanggihan ng Korte Suprema ang inisyaktiba ng pirma dahil ang people individual ay limitado lamang sa mga pag-abyenda at hindi maaaring gamitin para sa mga pagbabago.